Shisgi hadian ka jingwan banlan shop jong kabor kamaryang namat ka jing peteng banter uslap ubaklem sange kabalon ra ru ya ka jingja basngosi menta ka si ka spotrik jeliu umutirang ba ka jelau Conrad ke sangma ulali banjingo ikbalai em na ka tei ka jingtua ki khendo badru na ka jingsle jong ko hakani ka singi Conrad ke sangma ula IT ru khat arlak ka check shaw pa jong kilanon kibladu no el ka jong ka jingem ha ka jingwan ling shop kabor maryang kabalaja ha ka step jong ka khandai taring bantip khambania halok ka jinglong jongman ka jingslei hari lom garo u mentri rangba ula lumya ka jelang bakarke bantip sai ha ka baide ba ka jingja na ka jingslei bala batharu ya ki DC jong ki lai tilik district bakin sim jingkhain na ka banta ban a ya ka jingiram.
So I am in Garo Hills in Tura right now, and I just finished one review of the overall flood situation in the whole of Garo Hills, but mostly in West Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills and South Garo Hills. In the meeting, the Deputy Commissioners, the SPs and block officials and other officials were present, and a detailed report on the damages that happened have been taken, and accordingly instructions have been given to the respective Deputy Commissioners to ensure that prompt action and prompt relief is given to all the individuals who have been affected, and quick assessment of other damages including house and agriculture damages have also been asked to be assessed, and report to be submitted at the earliest so that necessary relief can be given to the individuals concerned. At the same time, I just visited the family members of the people who had died in the landslide. I met the father and the son who survived, and I have just handed over the ex gratia amount of 4 lakhs each, which is totaling 12 lakhs to the father who survived, and as soon as we get the bank account details from them, then the money will be transferred to them. We are also on high alert to ensure that all precautionary steps can be taken to ensure that if another situation arises, then necessary steps can be taken and response can be given.